So you want to invest or save money, but your income does not allow it, or your budget is so tight you can't see a way to squeeze it in. In this video, I will share some tips that can and will help you in being able to save more money for investing or for whatever you need it for. Now, if you're seeing me here for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel, I talk about making money, investing, and personal finance. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on notifications so you can see new videos that I post here. And I post videos here every single day. So we talk a lot about making money here, ways to make money, investing the money, and making more money. It's always about making money, right? We've never really talked about savings on this channel. Now, saving in itself isn't the best way to manage money because when you save, you usually just lose out to inflation. Savings do have benefits though, and some very important ones. So we'll be talking about it today. So if you want to be able to save money, there are two main things that you can do, or you can do them both. Now, the first one is you can earn more, which makes you have the extra money that you want to save, or secondly rather, you can spend less, which should free up some of the cash you already have coming in so you can save more. Now, the first one, which is increasing your income, takes a bit longer because increasing your income isn't just something that happens overnight, right? Reducing your expenses, on the other hand, allows you to get immediate results, as that's something you can start doing immediately. So now, before we get into the tips for saving more money, let's look at how savings can and will benefit you and the perks you get from saving money. Now, first of all, it enables you to have an emergency fund for the unexpected things that are going to pop up in your life. Now, secondly, it enables you to have financial freedom because you can put these savings into investments, which will then in turn earn you more money. Now, if you lose your main income stream, then these savings could be just what you need to support yourself until you get back on your feet, so to speak. So having savings is ideally what we want and need to have. Now, I'm bringing this up right here because here are the headlines, right? 65% of Americans do not save money. That's half the population, or more than half to be exact. Now, even then, going back to the numbers, over 50%, which is more than half the population, have only or less than $1,000 in savings. A $400 emergency would put a lot of people into debt because they'll have to use a loan or a credit card for any unexpected financial emergencies. Now, as I always say here, right, I'm not making this stuff up. I never do. Research it for yourself. Here's a graph to help you better understand what's going on and why this is a problem and must be corrected by anyone who wants financial freedom. So here you can see what percentage of people are saving and how much they are saving. So here are a couple things that you can do to start saving or saving more money. Now, the first thing we will talk about is entertainment, and we're talking about entertainment not because I think it's bad or you can't have entertainment when saving, but usually this is where most of the damage to your savings is done. Now, with entertainment, there are always areas that you can cut back on, and if it comes down to it and you really need to save some cash ASAP, then you can scrap entertainment altogether for a while, right? Now remember, this doesn't have to be permanent, and by saving, you're essentially putting yourself in a place where you'll be able to reach some life goal or life goals, and when reaching those goals, you can always adjust your lifestyle. Something else you can do to help you save more money is to make the process fun, right? Now you're thinking, how am I possibly going to make saving fun? Well, you could make certain days no spend days, or even certain weekends. Now, if you're thinking that you don't spend a lot of money, just think about what you spent money on for the past 3 days, right? Think about every dollar you spent and where it went. Now, usually people are spending money on gas, online shopping, stops at the grocery store before and after work, snacks during the day, coffee, car washes, and much more. So, for example, you could still have a fun weekend without spending any money. Now, it doesn't have to be a weekend where you're trapped inside your house because you're saving, so you just can't go anywhere. So to combat this, start looking for things that you can do that will cost you nothing, right? Go read a book at the library. When was the last time you did that? Catch up on some exercise. Take your kids or pets to the park, have a picnic, watch movies at home, go swimming or hiking, and the list could go on and on of activities that you can do without having to spend any money at all. Now, another way that you can cut some expenses to save more is by canceling gym memberships. Now, of course, you want to get in shape or stay in shape, but most people use their gym memberships only a couple times per year. Now, the average cost is around $25 a month, right? Now, the alternative to paying for the gym is to exercise the free way. You can ride a bike, jog, simply walk, or just work out at home. Now, some gyms offer bring a friend for free, so that's another way you can get into the gym for free. You can ask your friends if they can get you a pass. Now, if you're not self-employed, then your workplace may have its own free fitness center for employees. Now, that's a great way to take advantage of free gym membership and cut the costs. In addition to that, one more major way that you could save money is by cutting the cable, right? It's 2020, guys. Most, if not everyone, has high-speed internet. We really don't need cable anymore. It's just a duplicate cost that we're fooled into thinking we need. Think about it. What TV stations or programs do you watch that are exclusively on cable and not anywhere on IPTV services that you can access with your high-speed internet? You could even find these for free, but I'm not telling you to use pirated services, so pay for them. Surely it's going to cost you way less than paying for cable. Now, I also know that these services require you to subscribe to them and pay monthly also, but cable bills of $100 and sometimes $200+ are just too much, right? Streaming TV services usually are anywhere from $10 to $15 per month. Now, that's a lot of savings right there, and that's if you still want to watch TV. If not, you can just cut the entire bill from your life. Now, the other way you can start saving some money is by consolidating your debts. Now, if you have high interest student loans, personal loans, or credit card debt, then you should consider getting a debt consolidation loan that will cover them all and give you a more flexible payment amount with a lower interest rate. Finally, guys, you can rent out or Airbnb a room in your home that is unoccupied or some other space that you have temporarily and earn some extra money every week from that, which will help you to save even more. Now, if you have the extra space, why not monetize it, right? I mean, by now you should understand that you don't just want to invest, but you need to invest. In a similar way, you can also rent your car on Turo or your RV on RV Share, and I have a video about how you can make around $40K per year renting your RV, so be sure to check that video out on my channel as well. So these are all tips to 1, help you save more money, and 2, be able to invest the money that you save, because by merely saving, you lose 2% of your money to inflation every year, but that's a topic for another video. Now, what ways are you using to save more money or save money? Comment them down below and share some of your methods for saving money. I hope this video was good and I was able to provide some value to you guys. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post, and I post videos here every single day. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have about this video. And be sure to also drop a like on this video as it really helps with the channel. Now guys, we still have that promotion at WEBULL, which will last for only another week, right? And remember, sign up with the link down below and you will get 2 free stocks after depositing $100. And these 2 free stocks can be anything that can be valued up to over $1,000. Now, if you already did this and you collected your 2 free stocks, drop me a comment down below and let me know which stocks you got for free. In the event that you didn't like the stocks you got, then you can always sell them and keep the money or buy some other stocks that you would prefer to investing. Now guys, finally, I have to also mention that the days of putting your money in bank accounts where you get 0% in interest, right? Then you have to pay the account maintenance fees. Then you also have to pay the ATM fees, any other fees. And if you're just using bank accounts and paying fees, let's go ahead and change that right now. So I've left the link down below to SOFI Money, and these are affiliate links, right? I personally use all these apps and I use SOFI Money. Now, SOFI Money gives you a hybrid account where you pay no account maintenance fees, there is no minimum balance required, you don't pay any ATM fees, and whenever you do, they are immediately reversed and you get some sweet, sweet interest on your money. Now, with the link down below, you also get $75 for free, so be sure to check that out as well. Now, if you're a new subscriber or new viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and of course, ways to make money. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel once more. All the best with your savings and your investments, and until tomorrow, take care.